Just finished an early morning run by Carter Road. That's the sea facing area in Bandra. Headed to work now. New office, new premises. Excited to check it out.
Why did you put such a puppy?
It's such a nice picture. What's wrong with it? You look so good.
Look at this, yeah? I haven't seen any.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Alan and I'm back with another video. Now it's been a long time since I've really picked up a Yeezy 350. I think the last Yeezy 350 that I picked up was the Zebra. So I have the Belugas, the black with the red stripe, the cream, the Beluga 1.0 by the way, and the Zebra. After which I just stopped picking them up. I was like, there was butter, there was sesame, there was frozen yellow and whatnot. But nothing really excited me because it was essentially the same shoe with just different colors and some text missing. And although a lot of you are going to argue with me that this sneaker is no different, let me tell you why I picked up the Yeezy 350 V2 Static. While I get the sneaker out of the box, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down there. And if you already subscribed, hit that bell icon down there because that lets you know whenever I upload a new video. And if you like Yeezys, or even if you think Yeezys are dead, give this video a thumbs up. Leave the people guessing. Okay, the Yeezy 350 V2 Static. I'll tell you why I like these, alright? And I know this video is coming out really late. When these dropped, I was in Mangalore for Christmas with my family and I had no way of picking these up or the V2 700 Statics. Now, I really love the V2 700 Statics and that's like a big miss. I'm hoping they do a similar colorway or a restock at some point of time because that is just a really nice sneaker. Not too huge a fan of the Vantas or the Geodes. I don't know when the Vantas come out, I just might end up picking them up. But the Statics, I wasn't crazy about the all reflective upper static. I specifically wanted these Statics and I'm happy that I got these. Actually got these from adidas from a really long time ago, but never broke them out because I was like, yeah, maybe not, maybe I won't wear them. But it's summer and oops, but it's summer and what better sneaker to break out than a Yeezy. Now let me get into the details about why I like the sneaker. You know all that there is to know about Yeezys already. You have a full length boost midsole with this nice creamy outsole and this midsole, the bulky, weirdly shaped sole. But this upper is something else. It's got a knit like any other Yeezy, right? Like any other Yeezy. But they've gone with these different directional patterns all through it. I'll let you see it in the B-roll, right? It looks like every single panel is differently sewn on or differently knit on. You have your trademark adidas Yeezy insole. Let me get all of those things out of the way. An all white pull tab, your regular 3-stripe reflective detailing here on the heel, and reflective laces. These laces are reflective right here. This upper is a basic knit, and then you have this panel here with this fusing running through. It's translucent. It looks very plasticky actually. It doesn't look like a knit. It looks like a plastic knit or a plastic weave. It looks like the rest of the sneaker for sure. It stretches, it has a fair bit of stretch to it, but it looks like a weave design. And then of course you have this bit here on the toe area which shows you what keeps the toe in place, and this back area which is your heel cup or heel protection. I personally would have preferred if the entire strip was translucent rather than just the small hit over here, because a major chunk in the toe area and this heel area are all covered up with a reinforcement. It would actually be nice if the entire window was translucent because it would then make your socks pop if you like wearing some contrasting color socks. And I'm comparing these. I went up half a size with my Statics because I always buy a true size Yeezy and take the insoles out when I wear them. Like you can see on these creams, worn a fair bit. I'm looking at them side by side and the knit is nothing similar. So the patterns essentially on this sneaker are completely different. Although the upper stays the same, you have the same mid stitch running through the toe area and the silhouette is the same, but they have used a different approach to knitting this upper together. The very fact that they all travel in different directions and form a different pattern shows that, because I'm holding them right next to these cream whites and I can see right off the bat that this one uses a uniform knit pattern and this one uses a very different knit pattern. So for me, that's a V3 in itself. Alright, I probably needed an excuse to just buy another Yeezy. But no regrets. A lot of people tell me not to pick this up because it's just like Yeezys are dead, there's no resale on them, and it's as good as a Zebra and whatnot. But I must accept or admit that no regrets. I'm really happy I got this pair. Shout out to the guys at Adidas, of course. I'm now going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like with some pop colored socks. And until the next time, you guys, peace. Sure, there have been a lot of Yeezys coming out lately. You know, you have your True Form and your Hyperspace and whatnot. You even have a glow in the dark one coming out soon. But to me, this Static will still be the best just because of these crazy mismatched patterns. Let me know your thoughts in the video. Drop a comment. Do you like this? Would you rock with the Yeezys, or are Yeezys dead because they are available so easily now?